Hi guys, Mitch King with Trade Stocks America with the Monday morning, June 18, 2012 daily stock report. Here's Dow 30. Nice move. It's sort of a breakout here the last 2 days. The market's seeing through the Greece vote that occurs on Sunday and we're expecting some sort of approval the way the market's acting. And my guess is that that's what's going to happen, that the majority will vote for the current bailout conditions. And if that does occur, on Monday morning, the market should be sharply up, and it'll probably carry over for maybe a couple more days until the next negative news comes out. But I think we could get some momentum here for a week and ride on that positive news that's likely to come out of that vote on Sunday. I think also the market's getting used to the idea that Greece may be ending up out of the Eurozone anyhow. So then we'll have Spain and Italy to deal with. But my hunch is that the peak of the news, that desperation news, the biggest pulse of it might be already past us here in that first week of June. Nasdaq Composite is not making the same kind of move, not as strong as the Dow. These are tech stocks mostly. And the S&P 500 is also breaking out to some higher highs. So really healthy look here. We're seeing the percentage of stocks above the 40-day moving average move up, 33.5% of stocks above the 40-day. And that volatility index is starting to settle back down. 21 at the close, probably goes down to the 18s here by Monday or Tuesday. So much of the short positions on the report have been covered or reduced, as suggested here the day before. Let's take a look at a couple of those stocks. Here's Monster, by the way, the strongest stock. We've had it for quite a while, up 3%, new all-time high, except for this one-day wonder we had in the last week of April. It spiked up, and that was a valid trade. The short continues on IDCC, even though it moved up to 1.5% gain on Friday. Higher high for Altria Group. This thing's just on fire. So are a couple of tobacco stocks. We've been a little whiplash from the markets going back and forth, and it's required you to be really nimble, and that's what I've been saying on this type of market. When you get that extreme news, it'll probably start settling down for a little longer period of time instead of just a couple days of one direction. Might last a week. Here's a VRSK, one of the stocks that we were short, and it did have several days of rebound. So the idea was to stand aside, get out of these shorts on Friday before that vote on Sunday, and probably move upwards on Monday and Tuesday, and the shorts would lose money there. Panel continues to be weak, so that short is acting very well. And UGP as well. That's an oil refinery. So most of these stocks continue that downtrend. Here's Las Vegas Sands, down 1.1% on Friday when the market was up for a couple days. So a lot of the shorts will still be okay to hold, and you'll have to have a little bit of pain as some of these rebound up if you still held them short. Few long positions. Here's Noble Energy, looking for this to move up here. Energy stocks still weak. Oil is still in that $83, $84 range. Looking for HLX to move up here. It could easily go to 17 here this week. Healthcare is Humana. Looking for this Taro to continue to move down, but watching it closely. It looks pretty weak here, as well as CNK. The idea is try to be really nimble, smaller positions than normal. We're getting whiplashed around, up and down, up and down. I think the longs we work these longs for this coming week, and then start looking at shorts again. So you guys take care. Have a great weekend. Talk to you on Monday.